You will get to know the 14 things you should do in your 60s to enjoy a happy retirement. Watch this video till the end or you may regret later. Now let's begin. Number 1. It is strongly recommended that you assess your retirement portfolio. As the day of your retirement draws nearer, it is very necessary for you to evaluate the financial plan that you have already established. In order to safeguard your personal financial resources, it is essential to take into consideration the potential benefits that might result from moving away from investments that involve high levels of risk and high levels of return and toward options that are more dependable. An investment portfolio that is well structured and has a diverse range of fixed income assets, equities, and other securities should be taken into account. Checking that this portfolio is in line with your risk profile and the objectives you have set for your retirement is something that has to be done. Number 2. To begin collecting benefits from Social Security, it is necessary to choose the right window of time to do so. After reaching the age of 62, you are eligible to begin collecting Social Security benefits. However, it is crucial to bear in mind that doing so will result in a reduction in the amount of money that you get on a monthly basis. It is recommended that you wait until you reach the age of 67, which is the full retirement age, in order to give yourself the best chance of receiving the maximum benefit amount that is available to you. This might result in a significant rise in the amount of your monthly payments if you wait until you reach the age of 70 to begin receiving benefits. The amount will grow by 8% for each year that you delay receiving benefits. A strong grasp of the influence that these timing decisions have on your financial situation is essential if you want to make the most of the opportunities that are available to you. Please subscribe to our channel now, or you may forget later. Number 4. When deciding when you will retire, it is essential to settle on a certain age. Consider reaching a point in your life when you are financially secure, in excellent health, and have lifestyle objectives that are in accordance with the age at which you want to retire. Think about how long you will be working and how much money you will need to put away in order to be able to follow the lifestyle that you want to live. It is vital to articulate a specific target in order to promote more strategic planning and to ensure that our goals are aligned with one another. Number 5. It is important to reduce and eliminate liabilities as much as possible. When you approach retirement with a manageable level of debt that is still due, you will significantly increase your financial security. Your first objective should be to pay off all of your high-interest debt, which may include balances on credit cards and personal loans, as far as possible. The number of financial commitments that you are required to fulfill on a monthly basis is reduced as a result of this, since you are able to devote a greater proportion of your income to savings and important expenditures. Number 6. Increase the rate at which you are repaying your loan. In order to expedite the process of your repayment strategy, it is essential that you investigate the current situation of your financial responsibilities and take immediate action. Either take into consideration the possibility of making additional payments whenever it is feasible, or increase the amount that you provide on a monthly basis. The process of gaining financial independence may be sped up by giving priority to the repayment of loans with higher interest rates. After that, an intelligent approach should be taken to deal with the remaining obligations. You could be able to save a significant amount of money on interest if you speed up the process of paying off your debt, which would put you in a position to enjoy a retirement that is financially secure. Number 7. Increase the amount of your reserve for unexpected events. Establishing a substantial emergency fund is something you should do in order to be able to handle unplanned expenditures, such as those related with residential repairs or medical treatment. Create a financial cushion that is equivalent to at least 3 months' worth of living expenses, and if it is feasible, you should try for considerably more than that. Your objective should be to build up a financial cushion. Maintaining a contingency fund that is adequately funded is one way to ensure that one is able to preserve resilience and financial stability in the event of unanticipated catastrophes. Number 8. Give some thought to the retirement plan you have devised for your finances. During the years that you will be retired, you should do a thorough analysis of the income and costs that you may incur. It is important to create a comprehensive budget that provides a clear and succinct breakdown of all of your sources of income, including Social Security, pensions, and withdrawals from savings. Take into consideration this in light of your predicted expenses, which should include housing, medical care, and activities for leisure, in order to ascertain whether or not you will be able to keep up the lifestyle that you want to lead. Number 9. Considering the option of lowering the size of your house is something you should give some thought to. Take into consideration the effects that selling your home will have not just on your wallet but also on your day-to-day responsibilities. Individuals who make the switch to a house that is more compact and efficient have the opportunity to realize significant savings in housing expenses, including but not limited to mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. A successful unlocking of equity that may be transferred to enhance your strategy for saving for retirement is possible via the use of this approach. Number 10. It is recommended that you give some thought to beginning a supplemental company. A potential source of extra income after retirement might be generated via the formation of a side company. Find prospective career pathways that connect with your areas of expertise and interests, such as consulting, freelancing, or converting a passion into a successful commercial endeavor. These are all examples of potential career streams. Number 11. Take into consideration the many treatment alternatives available to you for your elderly parent. In order to lessen the risk of unforeseen financial issues while simultaneously considering the well-being of older parents, it is essential to make early preparations for the care of such parents. Assisted living facilities, such as assisted living communities, long-term care insurance, and in-home care services are some of the possibilities that should be considered. In addition to ensuring that your parents will have the necessary care, the formulation of a strategic approach will help maintain your existing financial stability. Number 12. Prepare yourself for the future expenses that will be involved with long-term care by taking the necessary actions. In the same manner that you would evaluate the requirements of your parents, it is essential to make an investment in long-term care insurance on your own behalf. It is imperative that you take this step in order to ensure that you are adequately prepared to manage the expenses that are associated with getting care in the convenience of your own home, assisted living, or nursing facility care. Care that is provided over an extended period of time is a considerable financial commitment that must be fulfilled during retirement. The protection of your cash and the assurance that you will have access to high-quality medical care in the event that it is necessary are both benefits that result from addressing these expenditures in a planned way. Number 13. Be a part of a way of life that sets a priority on your health and well-being, and participate in that way of life. It is possible to minimize the amount of money spent on medical care by adopting a healthy lifestyle, and it may also enhance the quality of life during retirement years. It is essential that you make the maintenance of a healthy diet, the participation in regular physical activity, and the focus on preventive health measures your top objectives. Maintaining great health is essential for avoiding the need for expensive medical treatments and ensuring a healthy retirement. This is one way to ensure that you have a retirement experience that is exciting and fulfilling. Number 14. Utilize your contributions to your retirement account to the fullest extent feasible in order to maximize their effectiveness. Contributing to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA, should be done on a consistent basis if you want to make the most of the potential savings you have. Those who are 50 years old or older are eligible to get catch-up payments, therefore make the most of this opportunity to obtain these. It is possible that the quality of your retirement portfolio may increase as a result of these additional contributions, which will serve to strengthen your financial stability. That's all for today. Now, please subscribe to our channel to learn more on personal finance.